Are the carbs on a targeted ketogenic diet going to put me out of ketosis? So if you're on a targeted ketogenic diet, you'll probably be consuming high impact carbs with high glycemic index just before your workouts. And it is true that these carbs may put you out of ketosis for a short period, but the exercise should use up all those carbs during your workout session, meaning you rapidly go back into ketosis straight after. Now, there have been some recent studies showing that ingesting carbs before a workout might not be necessary or desirable, since they may impair keto adaptation and performance. And there's a couple of great books by Dr. Finney and Dr. Volek called The Art and Science of Low Carb Performance. It shares some great insights on this topic, and if you're interested in learning more about this, then just check it out in the link below. Just keep in mind that everyone is different, and what works for you may not be the best for someone else. So you may need to experiment a bit and see what suits your unique needs. See how you feel without extra carbs. Take it easy with your workouts during the first month or so until you become keto adapted, and instead of carbs, you can try using coconut oil or MCT oil. MCTs, otherwise known as, short for medium chain triglycerides, are easily digestible and are used for immediate energy. I have them every day in my coffee just before a workout for an extra energy boost, and it works wonders.